What you see here is the GGS 28LP Professional from Bosch, the powerful straight grinder with deadman switch. Its 500-watt motor is ideal for demanding grinding applications, and the long grinding spindle also enables you to work in hard-to-reach areas. The robust design of the motor ensures high overload capability and increases lifetime. An especially practical feature is its lock-free deadman switch. It ensures that the tool immediately shuts down in an emergency for more user safety. Experience for yourself the GGS 28LP Professional Straight Grinder from Bosch, the powerful tool with deadman switch.